today's video. My name's Liam and this is Ria.
And in this channel, we're going to open some surprise eggs.
Yes, we are. Okay, who's gonna go first?
Me!
Okay, we'll do Sham first, okay? You want Sham, then show everybody what's in your surprise egg.
Blue egg.
Okay, what's in there?
A rubber.
Oh, okay.
And take them to prison.
They're gonna go to jail for being very, very naughty.
Okay, let me put them here.
Okay.
Okay, on the side. Let me put the surprise.
Okay, and you're gonna open another one?
Yeah. Now 1, 2, 3. Please one.
Show everybody the policeman. Let's see what he looks like. Okay.
Now it's blue again. A builder.
A builder. Let's have a look. Very nice.
Then green. I got a policeman.
Oh, lovely.
It's a fireman.
Ooh, with a golden cap.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. How many eggs do you got left?
A boat girl.
A boat, that's a fire. No, that's, yeah, a water person. Where they go in there.
A lifeguard.
Yeah.
Okay, next one.
Fireman.
You got all the firemans you have. Very nice. Okay, and the last one. What colour's that one? What colour's the egg?
Blue.
And what have you got in there?
Fireman.
Fireman. Okay, Aaliyah's turn.
Okay, so I'm going to start off with a yellow egg since I'm yellow. And I have got a visa. See?
Very nice.
And now I'm going to go for a purple egg. And I've got
Fireman?
Fireman. Yeah. So that's how it looks.
Oh, yes.
With water plaster on the back. There. Works with no purple. Oh, I've got a hawk.
Oh.
He looks very angry.
I'm hungry.
Let's put that there. Now let's go for a yellow.
Oh,
I've
pirate.
got,
Yeah, me.
I've got like a man on Christmas Day who's very nice and warm in their jacket,
Hmm.
or Tumbleman. Basically a woodcutter. Purple egg. Ooh, it's a bad guy.
Oh, wow. What's he holding?
I got lots. I got way too lots.
And another yellow egg. Oh, we've got a builder man.
Oh. Very nice.
I've got
2 ones left.
1,
Ooh,
2, 3, 4,
a
5,
builder man or a visa.
8. I got
Very nice.
And the last one, yellow
Eight
again.
mans.
It's a normal person.
Oh.
That's all.
Okay, Ria, it's your turn. You gonna open your eggs? Okay. What colour's that? Oh, wow. What is that? I think that's another builder.
I mean, it's a garbage man.
Oh, is it a garbage man?
Put that there.
What colour's that egg, Ria?
Yellow.
What colour's that egg?
Green.
Good girl. Oh, you got a skater man.
I want to be a skater.
There we go.
I want to be a skater.
That's fell off.
Put it there.
Wow.
The purple.
Oh, it's purple.
Yeah. Got a woman here.
Oh, oh, oh.
And then we have a cowboy.
That's a girl.
Cowgirl. Oh, we got a policewoman with very nice hair.
Very odd but nice.
And
That's cowbell. Oh,
fireman. Another fireman.
it's going quickly now.
And we have a security guard.
With a red hat.
And Ria's last one is,
And then bad guy.
he's a bad guy. Oh, very scary. Okay. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah. I'll do another present.
Yes, we'll do another
In the
surprise
next
egg.
video.
Okay, say bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.